Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are safe and sound. Today we are here to learn how to remove the background. If you want to remove any kind of subject background, this is very simple and easy. You can remove.
Let's follow me.
Control plus J. Copy the layer. Now we select the subject. There are many methods to select the subject. I use the quick selection method. This is a very simple way to select the subject. After the subject selecting, we do select and mask layer. Click on refine edge brush tool to remove the background. Just like this. A little on the hair. That will be very smooth. Follow these by percent smooth, by percent contrast, and minus by percent shift edge. And just select new layer. Now background is removed and you can put any kind of color, background or texture, that is up to you.
Thank you so much for watching my video and Allah bless you.